If there's something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? I know your brain is probably buzzing with the Ghostbusters theme song, but seriously, when you have a repair issue, who do you call? Hi, I'm Kathy Manna-Smith with Coast to Canyon Real Estate, here to help you find the right person. Sometimes when an emergency pops up, it's too easy to get flustered and pick the first available repair company you come across. Let's face it, we're all pretty good at looking at online reviews before we buy or pick anything. But even that can get overwhelming. Who do you go with? The nearest, the quickest, the cheapest, the middle quote, or the first one in a Google search? Who do you trust? Who do you turn to? Well, I'm here to give you an alternative, a place where you can get reliable and trusted repair companies. Companies that have stood the test of time and have passed the most stringent of tests, a Realtor-approved vendor. Most realtors have a special list that they turn to again and again, but sometimes they like to keep those close to themselves. Well, here at Coast to Canyon Real Estate, we average 20 years in the business and have collectively handpicked a list of companies with over 200 years of experience behind them. And all you have to do is click on the Vendor tab on our website. You'll find services like electricians, dryer vent cleaning, chimney work, all the way to more concierge type services such as embroidery, faux painting, Christmas lights, and yes, even a geologist. So when you have a little problem at home, who are you going to call? Call me or visit our website listed below. I'm Kathy Manna-Smith with Coast to Canyon Real Estate, and I've got your back. Thank you. And now just try to get that Ghostbusters theme song out of your head today.